We're gonna start this project with large brush. We're gonna dip it in water, then we're gonna dip it in light green paint, and we'll cover the whole artwork in light green. Next, we'll grab medium-sized brush and we'll use beige paint to create an oval in the middle of the artwork. Then we'll paint 2 arches and we'll paint the lower part in. After wiping your brush, you can use brown paint to outline upper part of the face. Now you can paint it in. Next, we're gonna paint body of the monkey. We'll create an arch above the head and we'll paint it in. Next, using brown paint and medium-sized brush, we'll paint legs of the monkey. We'll do the same thing to paint arms. This time we'll paint it below the face. Next, we'll paint outlines for the ears on the both sides of the monkey's face. To create a tail, you're gonna paint a question mark starting from the top of the artwork and connecting it to the monkey. To paint tip of the monkey's tail, you're gonna skip some space and create another brush stroke. You can add second layer of brown if the paint seems too transparent. You could also add second layer of beige color. To paint feet, you're gonna use beige color and paint 2 ovals. Next, we'll paint hands using beige color. We'll create 4 fingers and then we'll add a 5th one on the side. We're gonna repeat the same steps on the other side. Now we can paint toes using beige color and small brush. We'll start with a large circle and then we'll create 4 smaller ones next to it. You can keep using small brush and beige paint to fix any edges that need more work. After wiping your brush, you can create a small triangle in the middle of the face. To paint eyes, we're gonna use small brush and black paint. We'll create 2 circles on both sides of the face. Next, you can use medium-sized brush and pink paint to paint in and side of the ears. You can switch to a small brush to paint a pink oval under each eye. Next, you can use tip of your small brush and black paint to paint a thin line under the nose and 2 arches on both sides of that line. We're gonna switch to a medium-sized brush and beige paint to paint second layer on the feet. You can switch to a small brush to add second layer on toes and fingers. You can also add second layer of brown using medium-sized brush. Next, we'll use dark green paint to paint a Liana on both sides of the tail. We'll switch to a small brush to paint leaves on both sides of Liana. Now we can use white on the tip of the smallest brush to paint couple white dots in each eye. I am adding second layer of brown on the nose using small brush and brown paint. Next, we'll be using small brush and white paint to create a highlight on the nose. I am adding second layer of pink inside of the ear using medium-sized brush to make it look brighter. Next step will be optional. You can use small brush and beige paint to separate head from the rest of the monkey's body. Our final step will be to put your name or initial in the corner. Don't forget to like and subscribe.